Understanding proxy statements, a crucial component of corporate governance. A proxy statement is a pivotal document in the realm of corporate governance, ensuring that shareholders are equipped with the necessary information to make informed decisions. In this article, we will delve into the significance, components, implications, and procedures related to proxy statements, providing a comprehensive understanding of their role in corporate oversight and shareholder participation. What is a proxy statement? A proxy statement is a disclosure document that publicly traded companies are required to file with the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, before holding any shareholder meetings, including annual meetings or special stockholder meetings. The document is designed to provide shareholders with vital details required for making informed voting decisions on issues that affect the company. Key features of proxy statements. Filing requirement. Publicly traded companies must file proxy statements with the SEC, specifically using Form DEF 14A, ahead of any meetings where voting will take place. Content overview. The proxy statement encompasses various topics including nominations for the board of directors, compensation packages for executive officers, details on bonus and options plans for directors, a comprehensive overview of company management declarations. The importance of proxy statements. Proxy statements serve as a bridge between management and shareholders, making them a fundamental tool for corporate transparency. They are essential for shareholder decision-making, providing shareholders with detailed backgrounds of director nominees, compensation details, and any potential conflicts of interest. Understanding executive compensation, highlighting salaries, bonuses, equity awards, and unusual perks availed by executives, enabling shareholders to assess the appropriateness of such compensations relative to company performance. Promoting accountability, disclosing related party transactions and potential conflicts helps hold management accountable, thereby fostering better corporate governance. Components of a proxy statement. Proxy statements are comprehensive documents, typically including the following essential elements. 1. Voting procedures. Information regarding how the voting process will operate, including instructions on how shareholders can cast their votes, either in person or through proxy. 2. Nominations for board of directors. The statement includes detailed profiles of nominees for the board, outlining their qualifications, experiences, and compensation history. 3. Executive and director compensation. A critical section dissecting the pay packages of top executives and directors, often scrutinized by shareholders. This may include base salaries, bonuses, stock options, and benefits. 4. Related party transactions. Disclosures on transactions involving executives or board members that could pose a conflict of interest, helping shareholders assess any potential risks. 5. Audit committee information. Insights into the audit committee's composition, responsibilities, and fees paid to the external auditor, crucial for evaluating the company's financial transparency. Proxy voting explained. When shareholders are unable to attend meetings, they have the option to vote by proxy. This is often executed by granting authority to another individual, typically a company executive or board member, to vote on their behalf. The process typically involves receiving a proxy ballot. Shareholders receive proxy ballots and accompanying materials before the meeting. These documents outline the issues that require votes. Variants of voting methods. Votes can be cast online, by phone, or via mail before the cutoff time, typically 24 hours prior to the meeting. Major voting issues. Common voting topics encompass the election of board members, approval of executive compensation, and endorsement of significant transactions like mergers or acquisitions. Special considerations in proxy statements. Proxy fights. Proxy statements also play a crucial role in proxy fights, where groups of shareholders band together to influence votes, often during hostile takeovers. These battles may involve efforts to remove existing management, fundamentally altering the control of the company. Foreign companies' proxy statements. Foreign firms that offer securities in the U.S. are required to comply with SEC regulations, thus also filing proxy statements. Such filings help ensure that U.S. investors have equal access to essential information. FAQs about proxy statements. How do you find a foreign company's proxy statement? Foreign companies registered with the SEC must file similar forms as U.S. companies. These filings can be found using the SEC's EDGAR database. Companies that do not register must disclose certain information in English on their websites. What happens if a company fails to file a proxy statement on time? If a public company fails to file a proxy statement on time, it must file SEC Form 12b-25, Notification of Late Filing. This form details reasons for the delay and may mitigate certain penalties. Is a proxy agreement the same as a proxy statement? No, a proxy agreement is a document granting one individual the legal authority to act on behalf of another, whereas a proxy statement is a formal SEC filing that discloses matters pertaining to voting procedures and executive compensation. Conclusion. Proxy statements serve as an essential tool in the corporate governance landscape, equipping shareholders with vital insights and information, thereby fostering transparency and accountability within organizations. As essential components of the shareholder voting process, they not only inform but also empower shareholders to make informed decisions that can influence the direction of the company. Understanding proxy statements is thus critical for anyone interested in corporate governance or investment dynamics.